Hi everybody, my name is Michael Levan, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up the AWS integration inside of CloudTruth. So first things first, I'm on my dashboard here and I'm going to scroll down to integrations and then I'm going to click on AWS. Now from here, as you can see, I have no AWS accounts connected, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the Add AWS Account button. Now first I need to get my AWS account ID. So I'm going to go to my AWS account here. And then I'm going to grab my account ID. I'm going to paste that in. Next, I'm going to specify what I want my role name to be. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to call it CloudTruth CF IAM. Next, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to say what I want to give CloudTruth access to. So I'm going to give it access to S3, Secrets Manager, and SSM, and I'm going to give it write access. I'm going to click Save. Now, once you click Save, you're going to have an external ID right here. And don't worry about this pop-up. This is just because we have to run the CloudFormation template. So I'm going to exit out of that. And this external ID right here, I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to head over to VS Code. Now inside of VS Code, I have this command right here, and we're going to break it down. But first, I'm going to put my parameter value right here for the CloudTruth external ID. Now let me go ahead and copy this, and then I'll paste it in here, and we'll go over it. Now, first things first, with this command, you will need programmatic access to the AWS console to be able to have access to AWS with CloudFormation. Okay, so let's get to the command here. First, we're going to be specifying the AWS CloudFormation command, and then we're going to use the create stack command. The parameter stack name is going to be CloudTruth integration. The template URL is actually going to the CloudFormation template for CloudTruth. So if I open that, for example, you can see that this template is right here for you. Next, I'm specifying the capability, so it needs to be a capability underscore named underscore IAM. And then the parameters. So the first is going to be the parameter key, which is the external ID, and then we're going to specify the value. And that value is going to be that external ID from the UI. Next, the parameter key is going to be the CloudTruth role name, and that's going to be that CloudTruth CF IAM that we specified in our UI. If we go back here really quick, we can see that data that we typed in. All right, so now let's go ahead and run this command. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to run this. And then as you can see, it's been created. So we'll head over to our browser. I'm going to open up AWS. And then I'm going to go to CloudFormation. Click on CloudFormation. Let me zoom in a little bit here actually. And then as you can see, that stack is now creating. So let's go ahead and give this a few minutes here and we'll be right back. All right, and as we can see, our CloudFormation template was created successfully. So if I go ahead and I go back to AWS, and you see how we have this integration error here. Again, remember, as I said before, this is because we didn't run that CloudFormation stack. So I'm going to click these three dots right here, and I'm going to click check integration status. And as we can see, CloudTruth is now officially connected to our AWS account. And that's how we can get CloudTruth to interact with S3, SSM, Secrets Manager, and be able to pull in data from AWS like secrets, for example. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you again next time.